Groom. Noun. A man who is about to marry, short form of bridegroom. Groom. Noun. A person who cares for horses. Groom. Noun. One of several officers of the English royal household, chiefly in the Lord Chamberlain's department. The groom of the chamber, the groom of the stole. Groom. Noun. A brushing or cleaning, as of a dog or horse. Give the mare a quick groom before you take her out. Groom. Verb. To attend to one's appearance and clothing. Groom. Verb. To care for horses or other animals by brushing and cleaning them. Groom. Verb. To prepare someone for election or appointment. Groom. Verb. To prepare a ski slope for skiers. Groom. Verb. To attempt to gain the trust of somebody, especially a minor, with the intention of subjecting them to abusive or exploitative behaviour such as sexual abuse, human trafficking or sexual slavery. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.